Hello everyone, it's Geesje. Welcome back to my channel. Quite a few years ago I made these book plates or book labels, and I thought I needed a few more and also in a different color, because a neutral color like this that is coffee dyed does not always go with everything, so I also wanted some white ones, and I'm quickly gonna show you how I'm going about it. This is a large one, large, medium, and a small one, and I will concentrate on these two here. For the medium one, I start off with a piece of white cardstock that is 1 1/4 by 2 inches. And to make it have a round feel, I just cut the corners off. Very simple. Then I have some book paper, and I cut that in 1 7/8 by 7/8, and I tear that. I have a dictionary page, and I check which side has nice writing on it, because you don't want to have any writing in there that's inappropriate. So I will tear off the edge here. Then I will place the base square along here. If I want the lines to go this way, I can also place it like here. So I want them a little smaller than my base here. So how about here? And I will make a mark on the bottom, about here. Put my ruler on here. This is a ruler that I made myself from a ruler that I bought at the dollar store. And I just broke off little pieces as I go. Now I need a width, so I don't use this. And same here, I'm going to tear there and about here. I'm putting a lot of pressure on this part here, otherwise the paper will just slide underneath here. Like so. And then for the center part, I cut a little piece of cardstock that is 1 3/8 by 3/4 of an inch. And I usually use scrap papers. And I will grab a little bit of cheesecloth that I will glue on top. And this cheesecloth is has quite an open weave, so I doubled it up. Cheesecloth comes in different density, and this is from the dollar store, and I think the grocery store also sells it. So the first thing I do is put some glue on here. Any glue will do. I like to have it like the fluid glue, because you can move it around all over. And then I will grab my cheesecloth, and I will put this on top of my cheesecloth. And this is a non-stick mat. There. Then I will grab a piece of dictionary, add glue to it, spread it out so that all the sides have blue glue, place it center-like, and then I add the last part of it, and here you can write on what you want to name your journal. Well, that was it. Easy, eh? And when I make projects like this, I usually have a lot cut off each component, and then I will put it all together in an assembly line fashion that speeds up things tremendously. Now for the small one, I will cut, the base is 1 1/2 by 1. The dictionary page is 1 3/8 by 7/8. And the little writing space is 1 inch by 5/8 of an inch. Again, I will cut a little bit of cheesecloth. I don't even know if this is big enough. Yeah, I can stretch it a little bit. Okay, let's put some glue on here. And I like it better so to have the cheesecloth on my non-stick mat, because I can just push this on there without getting my hands full with glue, and it'll come off right off here. If I do this on paper, it will get stuck on the paper. Then we're gonna grab a little bit of dictionary page or book page. You can do whatever you want. You can even do a colorful piece of fabric or paper. Put this on here, and a little writing space goes in the middle. Now this has quite a bit of cheesecloth sticking out, so I will trim it off a little bit. Not too much. And there you have it. So here are the sizes of the ones we did. This is the big size and this is the small size. Well, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.